modified version for the hip car would be a standing car. What you do is stand at a countertop or back of a chair, give yourself a little space. You're gonna do the exact same movements. You're gonna march up into that mountain climber, swing out to the fire hydrant, rotate that heel up and out to a donkey kick, pause as you bring it back in to mountain climber, then trace it backwards. Donkey kick, up and out the fire hydrant, all the way to mountain climber, and back down. And trace it again, coming up, rotate out, and around, into donkey kick, come into mountain climber, and then trace it backwards. Donkey kick, fire hydrant, up and through, down. Coming up, fire hydrant, rotate, donkey kick, to mountain, donkey kick, to fire hydrant,